Shalom, Talmidim. Today we'll learn how to greet people in Hebrew. These are words and phrases you can use when you meet someone or want to be polite during the day. Let's begin. Let's begin. Hello. Shalom.
Hi, hello?
Ho. Shalom. מה קורה?
Hi, how are you?
בסדר, תודה.
Fine, thanks.
ערב טוב. Good evening. Hello.
Hello, peace.
מה קורה? What's happening? וההורים בסדר, fine. אוקיי. תודה, thank you. ערב טוב. Good evening. Good evening. Let's review.
Hi, Shalom. Hi, how are you? Shalom, מה קורה?
Fine, thanks, בסדר, תודה.
Good evening. ערב טוב.
כל הכבוד. Great job. להתראות תלמידים. See you soon.